Guys, as here at Shield Canine, I am here with Bolo. Bolo is a 6-month-old puppy from our Herder 3.0 litter. Now, Bolo is a Shield Canine puppy, and more than just being bred and born here, he also has been trained here. We kept this puppy back. Now, he's gone home with different staff members just to socialize him in the home, so on and so forth, and he gets a lot of training. A lot of our guys take him out and put some training into him, so I'm checking his progress now. I think he's going to be a really high-level protection dog, and he's exactly what we want to see. I'm going to basically just be running him through some obedience, and I like to really work on the dog's gripping behavior even when I'm doing obedience. Sit. Yes. So one of the things in this line, they like to shake their heads a lot. They like to be a little bit hectic sometimes with the toy or even on the grips. So I like to kind of work on that right from day one, build really strong, hard, crushing grips. Putts. Hey, good job. The thing about young dogs, like you can see the head banging there a little bit, so I'm going to work on just getting him to calm down. But he's not, you know, unstable. He has good stability. Come. When he has something in his mouth, he does not like it when you grab his tail. That's okay. That's just something he's going to be desensitized to. And we can desensitize him to a lot of these things while we play with him. Good. And when he calms down, I give it to him. So yeah, I'm doing obedience, but I'm also doing some small things that are going to help us with the bite work as well. Stabilizing the behaviors. Oi! See how he takes the ball? It's getting more and more and more powerful as he gets older. It's telling me a lot about the kind of dog he's going to be from a bite work perspective. I think he's going to have those big crushing grips. The one thing we'll have to watch as we develop him is to make sure they're not a little bit too hectic. We want to make sure he's not wasting any energy. But I think he's going to be a fantastic dog. I'm really excited about him. Oops. Oops. No. So the entry's kind of garbage. We'll have to work on that. Once he's here, he generally heals pretty nicely. So I can see that he just has a poor understanding of the heel entries. And I think maybe some of the junior staff have been, you know, just making some common mistakes that people make when they do heel entries, in that they help the dog too much and they don't ever challenge the dog to do it properly on his own. So just stuff like that. A lot of work can be done before you do protection. One thing I like all my dogs to do is to carry the toy in the obedience. That's something he needs to be worked into. If your dog likes to blow by you, run away from him. You'll see how quickly he kind of changes his mind. He'll be like, God damn, I actually want to catch you. See, now he thinks about cutting me off instead of running away from me, which is a little more productive. Good work, Bolo. I think Bolo's done for the day. I'm gonna put him up. I'll see you guys later, and we'll give you some more Bolo updates. I think he's gonna be a really cool puppy.